Now let's see the question number 3. As shown in the figure, a wave pulse at t equal to 0. The pulse moves to the right with a speed of 10 cm per second. Sketch the shape of the string at t equal to 1 second, 2 second and 3 second. So as given, this is the snapshot of the wave at t equal to 0 second. From the graph, we can conclude that the amplitude of the wave pulse is 1 millimeter. So at t equal to 1 second, first we will see what will be the location of the given wave pulse. Since the given wave pulse is moving towards positive x direction with a speed of 10 cm per second. So to find its location, we will calculate the distance, and distance covered by a wave with a constant speed is speed multiplied by time. So at t equal to 1 second, x will be, speed is 10 cm per second, so 10 multiplied by 1. So this will become 10 cm. It means that each and every point on the given wave pulse will move forward by a distance of 10 cm. To visualize this question, let us take the name of this point as A and this point as B. Since all the points on this wave pulse will cover a distance of 10 cm rightward, so point B will be 10 plus 10, that is point B will become here at 20, and point A is initially at 5, so final coordinate of A will be 5 plus 10, that is 15. So point A will come here. Since the shape of the wave pulse will not change, so this will be the graph of the wave pulse at t equal to 1 second. Now we are going to draw the shape of the wave pulse at t equal to 2 seconds. Again, since the wave pulse is moving with a constant speed of 10 cm per second, so the new location of the wave pulse will be calculated by distance equal to speed into time, where v is the speed of the wave pulse. So v is given as 10 and t is given as 2 seconds. So this is equal to 20 cm. It means that each and every point on the given wave pulse will move forward or rightward by a distance of 20 cm from its initial position. So new position of B will be 10 plus 20, that is 30. And new position of A will be 5 plus 20, that is 25. And again, since the shape of the wave pulse is not changing, so it will be again, this will be our wave pulse. And now we are going to draw the wave pulse at t equal to 3 seconds. Again, distance covered by the wave pulse will be equal to speed of the wave pulse multiplied by time. And the speed of the wave pulse is given as 10 cm per second and time is given as 3 seconds. So this is equal to 30 cm per second. So from here we are concluding that each and every point on the given wave pulse will move forward or rightward by a distance of 30 cm after t equal to 3 seconds. Means point B will be at new location of 10 plus 30, that is 40. This is the new location of point B, and new location of point A will be 5 plus 30, that is 35. So this is the new location of point A. And again, since the shape of the wave pulse is not changing, so its amplitude will remain 1 millimeter, and this will be the wave pulse at t equal to 3 seconds. So from this question we learned that the shape and amplitude of the given wave pulse will not change with time. Only the location of the wave pulse will keep on varying as the time will proceed.